Welcome. I'm AJ, and this is Kingdom Touches. Today, I have for you an unboxing of a mini heat press, a very mini heat press. It's been a while since I've given y'all any kind of video or content. I have been so sick for weeks, still feeling a little under the weather, but I'm missing my community, so I thought I'd bring you this quick one. I'm always looking for different things to make my life easier. That's how I came about this heat press. It is a heat press. I don't really know what the company name is. I will either put the name on the screen or in the description below. But, you know, searching those Amazon streets, you will come up with a lot of things. And I came up with this little cute thing, and hopefully it will do what I need it to do. So it comes with instructions. Temperature range is 0 to 400, which means that it is ideal for sublimation. Even though the sublimation ink and paper that I use, I do not need to go that high. I just need to go to 365. They sent some vinyl, which is cool. Gives you something to start out with. So again, 4 sheets of vinyl, pretty cool. And power cord, of course. And here's the little cute little machine right here. Isn't it adorable? All right, so I'm giving it a little once over. It's got this little square at the top. I don't know. Let me give y'all a little square at the top. I don't know if that's significant yet, but we'll see. Turn it around on the side. And you got where your power cord goes. This side is where the power button is. And they call it a combo heat press machine. Temperature range 0 to 400. Just to give you an idea of how dainty and cute this thing is, let me give you some measurements. So we got from top to bottom, it's about 12 inches. Side to side, about 6 1/4. And that 12, if we don't measure the handle and just do the body of it, it's about 10 inches only. It's so cute. So then you got this handle. It's got a little that wraps on it to keep it closed. It's got a little rubber stretchy part to the handle, you see. And then you open it, and you got your plate. It's got a heat pad. So we'll see. First thing I want to test is the consistency of the heat plate. So let me plug this up real quick. So plug it up, and then I'm gonna get my heat gun. All right. So I don't know if y'all heard that beep. I'm gonna set it So you got your set controls. So go up. Let me zoom in so y'all can see what I'm doing. Excuse me. I'm gonna take it up to like 320. And then we gonna see. Let me do a quick timer to see how long it takes to get. I should have had this ready, but I want to do a timer to see how long it takes to get to temperature. So I'm gonna do 320. That's where I do a lot of my vinyls at. And then we're gonna do set. As you see, we'll watch and see how long it takes to get to 320. While it does that, let me explain to y'all why I thought this could be useful for me. I do some baby clothes and small children's clothes, and sometimes the heat press is just too cumbersome for clothes that small. So I don't really like using easy presses for vinyl. I don't like using easy presses for anything, to be honest. But I really don't like to use it for vinyl because with easy press, it's like I can't be sure that I'm getting appropriate pressure or anything like that. So I thought, let me try this out, because it's a clamshell type press, to see if I could get this to meet my baby garment needs. Alright, so y'all see a little over 4 minutes. Just not bad. My big press takes way more than 4 minutes. So I got 328 on the registry. I'll press stop. Now I want to check the consistency of the plate, because we got 328 on the registry. So let me get my heat gun and see about how consistent. Get my heat gun to see how consistent we are. Huh. Let me see. Measuring 331. I got 285. I don't know if y'all see that. 285 in this right corner. Hold on. 408. Wait, I'm not holding this right. My bad. All right, my bad. If you cook the temperature probe, you're bound to get higher numbers. So let me hold it at the right distance. So I got 322 in this left corner. 2. All right, so it's up to 366. For some reason, it's not staying at the temperature I set it. But I got it's saying 366, but I got 392 here, 396 here. Okay, there we go. Sorry. Now I got it. Alright. So 389, 393, 388, 400. And it's reading 360. So it's so I would have to make adjustments based on, because the probe is not accurate. At the top, it's telling me it's 360, but the plate is like 390, and the plate is consistent. It's 390 all around, but I would have to keep that in mind when pressing anything to make those adjustments, because want to see if it, and I came down and it is cooling off. It's cooling off quickly. So I'm down . Yes, cooling off quickly. I'm down to 363, 360, 350, 346. If you can see the red dot on the screen, it's where I'm shooting. 337. All right, so it's gonna be up to me. What I'm gonna do, again, this press cost me $66. So I am not expecting it to be like a consistent heat plate and all that. I'm surprised it is a consistent heat plate, but I expected there to be some things off with it given the price point. What it's gonna require from me is that I'll just do some testing like I'm doing and do at certain temperatures to know the actual temperature that I'm getting, because here at 320, took it down, it's like 30 degrees off. So though it's at 320, the actual temperature is like 350, which, I mean, for what I'm going to use it for, it works out. So let's see how it presses. I have, I have a 3T practice shirt that I use. As you see, I use this shirt to like practice colors and things like that. So I'm just going to press something I have left over. I just want to see how it presses. I got a little sublimation ribbon. I'll press it. That paper's not gonna bleed, but habits are hard to break. I'm gonna put this in there. But before we do that, we're gonna take it up. I'm gonna do 380. And then just check my temp. It's already at a temp I needed, so. Go with it. Well, I gotta figure out how to use the timer. Right now, I'm gonna just timer myself. Got it. It's got like a little spring in it. I don't know if y'all can see it kind of hopping. It's got like a little spring in the heat plate's got a little spring in it for the pressure. It's kind of cool. Pretty good. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay, so I'm looking at the instructions, and the hook does, let me turn this off. I'll burn myself. The hook does provide pressure. This thing right here does provide some pressure. Yeah, it's attached on the bottom, and it can be adjusted on the bottom to increase the pressure. So basically, when you close it down, you can attach the hook for pressure, and this can be adjusted so it's tighter or looser. But I don't know if y'all can see that bounce. There is like a spring. Look at it. There's like a spring in the heat plate, which is kind of cool. But I like it. I'm happy with it. I think, like I said, for $66, 4 minutes to heat up. Unlike my bigger heat press, I wish it took 4 minutes to heat up. I'd say it's gonna be good for me. I would have to use it more to say whether if I recommended it for anyone else, but for me, just given what I think I'm gonna be able to use it for, I'd spend $66 again. I've spent $66 on worse things. But that's it for this unboxing and review. Thank you for watching. Please like or dislike, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.